what? There's a man who, when he comes on stage, not that he doesn't know what to sing, but he has so many hits. It's like, do I give them this? Do I give them that? Do I give them this? Do I give them that? Say what? So watch this. Forever four-season lover, come close. Because he's been missing you. Because this is a magic moment. Because it's Leroy Gibbons.
Respect of a time, crowd of people. Lover, four-season lover. I'm your four-season lover. Why? No, you should never give your love away. 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 Oh, when the winter comes around and there's nobody there to keep you warm, call me on your phone line and I will be there in no time. I'll be there to warm you up. I'll be there to warm you up. Little girl, if this why I say no, you should never give your love away. No, you should never give your love away. No, you should never give your love away. No need to give your love away. When the springtime comes around, when the roses are bursting out of the ground, call me on your phone line and I will be there in no time. I'll be there to warm you up. I'll be there to warm you up. This one I gotta say no, you should never give your love away. 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 When summertime comes around, when the humidity is so high, don't stay home and cry. Call me on your phone line. I'll be there to cool you off. I'll be there to cool you off. That's why I gotta say no, you should never give your love away. No, you should never give your love away. No, no, you should never give your love away. No, you should never give your love away. No way. Four-season lover, four-season lover. I'm your four-season lover. Jack, don't go too far. Not respect to St. Catherine people, and we love you every time. Respect to all the people from Kingston. East yourself, the other parishes, St. Mary, St. Elizabeth, and everywhere about there. Saying, love you. All right. Now we're going to the next rhythm. Hey, here's my baby, love me with all her heart. Should I worry when we're apart? It's a lover's question I'd like to know. Does my baby need me as she pretends? If this is a game, oh, will I win? It's a lover's question I'd like to know. Together, should I worry when we are together? Well, yeah, I'd like to know. My baby, I'm missing you. I really, really do, yes. Well, yeah, I'm missing you. Take it down low now, brother. Since you've been away, I've been down and lonely. Girl, since you've been away, I've been dreaming all day. I try to understand the reason why you had to leave me and what were you going through. My baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Why? My baby, I'm missing you. Won't you tell me why the road turns? Take me low one more time as As I look around, there are things to remind me. When I see you smile, it makes my heart fill with joy. I can still recall the nights we used to spend together. Now where are you running to, girl? Oh, my baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Why, ooh, my baby, I'm missing you. Won't you tell me why the road turns? Ooh, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Ooh, my baby, I'm missing you. Won't you tell me why the road turns? Take me down, 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 down. Ooh, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Ooh, my baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turns. Yes, that's a little title called I'm Missing You. Right about now, we're going to be doing this one because the people love this one, and we're going to do this one. All right. Oh, yes, because my love is to the end of time. Time, my love is to the end of time. Moment, this is my musical. It's so different and so new. It's not like any other. No, no way. Until I sing for you, and then it happened. It took you by surprise. I knew that you felt it too, yes, by the look in your eyes, because it was sweeter than wine, warmer than the warmest night. Everything I want, I have. Whenever I hold it tight, this magic moment, while your lips are close to mine, will last forever. Forever till the end of time. Oh, time. Oh, time. My love is to the end of time. Time. My love is to the end of time. Time. Because it's sweeter than wine, warmer than the warmest night. Everything I want, I have. Whenever I hold you tight, this magic moment, while your lips are close to mine, will last forever, forever till the end of time. Time, time, my love is to the end of time. On we go, time, my love is to the end of time. Time, this a magic moment. It is so different and so new. It's not like any other. No way. I kissed you, and then it happened. It took me by surprise. I knew that you felt it too, yes, by the look in your eyes, because it was sweeter than wine, warmer than the warmest night. Everything I want, I have. Whenever I hold it tight, this magic moment, while your lips are close to mine, will last forever, forever till the end of time. Time, time, my love is to the end of time. Time, my love is to the end of time. Time. Now we've only just begun. The romance is not over, but see, we got a lot of loving to give. We've only just begun. The romance is not over. We got a lot of loving to give, 'cause my love is to the end of time. Take it easy, time.
Let's hear one more time for Leroy Gibbons. What you say? More. Hey Leroy, you fine. him, King.
Yeah, love y'all, sing. Whoa, yeah, oh, this but goodness in a dancehall style. Hey, Cupid, drop back your bow, ain't gonna let your arrow go. So stay through, my lovers are for me. Nobody but me. Cupid, please hear my cry. Ain't gonna let your arrow fly. That's when you do, my lovers are for me. Whoa, wow. Cupid, I don't wanna bother you, but I'm in distress. There is danger of me losing all of my happiness. Cause I love a girl who doesn't know I exist. And this you can fix. So, whoa, Cupid, drop back your bow. And don't let your arrow go. Well, so you, my lovers are for me. No, nobody but me. Hey, Cupid, please hear my cry. And don't let your arrow fly. I swear you through, my lovers are for me. Whoa, wow. Cupid, if your arrow bring a love strong to me, I promise I will love her until eternity. Between the two of us, her heart we can steal. Help me if you will. So, oh, Cupid, drop back your bow and let your arrow go. Straight to my lovers are for me. No, nobody but me. Hey, Cupid, please hear my cry. And I'll let your arrow fly. Cause straight to my lovers are for me. Whoa, wow. Cupid, do you hear me calling you? Cupid, I need you. Cupid, oh help me. Cupid, I need her. Cupid, oh Cupid, don't back your bow and I'll let your arrow go. I say to you, my lovers are for me. No, nobody but me. Hey Cupid, please hear my cry and I'll let your arrow fly. I say to you, my lovers are for me. Whoa, wow. I see a man say him under him slim thing. Another one say she under him. One go back or sing same under him fat thing. Listen Leroy on this rhythm. I am a singer man, gonna do a little. Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. Alright, them stuff for doing make you see this. Love the way you responded. Love your mind, I know your name's all of you, but love your sing. Easy.
Well, I sing out of the place and just flying today. The day when they go up and come back down at Jamaica Gawa. Them singer are a big singer. So it's that singer I'm going to call in if you don't want to pan doubling up music down tomorrow. Mr. Leroy Gibbons! Mr. Leroy Gibbons!
Blessed. I love all I go on around. I go on nice. Greetings, massive and crew. Greetings. Yeah. My love is to the end of time. It's magic. Hey! Stop it. Yes, Oliver. Respect. My love is to the end of time. My love is to the end of time. This magic moment, yow, is so different and so new as like any other. No way until I kiss you, and when it happened, it took you by surprise. I knew that you felt it too, yes. By the look in your eyes, sweeter than wine, and warmer than the summer's night. Everything I want, I have. Whenever I hold you tight.
Saggy Banks, a piece of too little. Saggy Banks. One more piece, a piece of too little. One more piece.
Missing you. Hey, since you've been away, I've been down and lonely. Since you've been away, been dreaming of you. I try to understand the reason you left me and what were you going through. Ooh, baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turned. Ooh, I'm missing you. Easy.
Say bad. When I say Leroy, you say Gibbons. Leroy. One more piece, Leroy. The people them love you. Yeah, bro.
No, she never give your love away. No, she never give your love away.
One person in front of the world, and we're up on the world platform. When the sound when you like Canada sing for me, I say, come on, drink and come back. When the sound here?
You are singing for upset.
Yeah.
I'm here singing for stereo guy.
Ugly. I'm like on your soul, I say, God, Jamaican in my room, because you have a talent, you know. You never keep silent, you. I'm proud of you, man. Jack was saying, dance on the big platform, dancehall Thursday. What the platform name? Overdub Thursday. Only famous, pick up yourself, Peter Metro and the crew.
Oh, God. Respect. Down in that, hey. Does she love me with all her heart? And I will be when we part. It's a lover's question. I'd like to know. No. Does she needs me as she pretends? If this is a game, oh, will I win? It's a lover's question. I'd like to please love your massive crew.
Thank you, Leroy.
New dance again. It named Tati, and I around the whole resident. Originate by the most Posse, my friends. Come now, Posse. Hugging up is against the law, Mama. We don't dance like that anymore. Yike, if you can't do the Tati dance, them step aside and give Snagga a chance. Yike. Tati, watch your rude boy, me say them a do the Tati. Watch your girls, them yeah, I can do the Tati. Watch Miss Fatty and the one Miss Hattie. Everybody come yeah, I can do the Tati. Damn, me I go tell you how you do the Tati. Bend your back like the limbo posse. When you a dance, admire your body. Search yourself like you a feel for money. Look on your clothes, look heavy dirty. Tie your shoes lace and do the Tati. Fix your shirt collar and do the Tati. Fix your pants waist and do the Tati. Set your hand like you a call somebody. And me a dance and exercise your body. Hugging up is against the law, Mama. We don't dance like that anymore. Yike. If you can do the Tati dance, damn, step aside and give Snagga a chance. Yike. Down at Jamaica we a do the Tati. Friends from Miami, don't forget it. Watch it Bemo Street Press, you do the Tati. Look how the youth them well easy. Damn, catch the stylie. You do the stylie, you have it frisky. Damn, make sure your body healthy. Hugging up is against the law. Yike, we don't dance like that anymore. Yike. if you can't do the tatty dance. No, step aside and give Snagga a chance. Like Bogo dance, mash up the scene. You should have seen Angela and Christine. Butterfly, mash up the scene. You should have seen the girl named Pauline. Limbo dance, make the girls them scream. Tatty the dance, kings and queen. Yeah, hugging up is against the law. Mama, we don't dance like that anymore. Yeah, if you can't do the tatty dance, yeah, step aside and give me a chance. No, tatty, are the new dance, them call it tatty. Watch wifey and matey, them a tatty. Watch Miss Skinny and the one Miss Fatty, Miss Guampy nothing and Miss Hattie. Lord, them swear that them got it. Yeah, me a go tell you how you do the tatty. Bend you back like the limbo posse. When you are dance, you admire your body. Left and right, then you move slowly. Just have your clothes, me say like it dirty. And when you dance it easy. Yeah, tatty no, tatty, tatty, Jesus Christ, tatty, yeah.
Snagga, me not see a long time dance funky come back in, but them a call it Matt the Dread. Them must lick them head, teach them the reggae funky now man Snagga.
Me say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Matt the Dread. What a shame. Me say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Matt the Dread. Yeah. Come Snagga and teach them the styling. Teach them the dance, call it reggae funky. Come crowd of people, me say come follow me and do the new dance, call it reggae funky. No, shake your shoulder and rock your body. Move your neck slow, then you dilly-dally. Left, right, then you move easy. You do the reggae funky, exercise your body. Yeah, catch the style. This dance I tell you nice like the tatty. Hey, me say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Matt the Dread. What a shame. Me say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Matt the Dread. Yeah, out of sight, dynamite. Say this dance make you feel alright. Set your hand like a kung fu you a fight. And to the rhythm you a dance all night. Yeah, it make you feel out of sight. To the rhythm just dance and glide. The reggae funky, it a take life. Yeah, out of sight, them. Me say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Matt the Dread. What a shame. Me say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Matt the Dread. Yeah, down at Jamaica we a reggae funky. In the dance hall man a reggae funky. Watch the girl picnic them a reggae funky. Lord them just a dance and exercise them body. This dance I tell you nice like the tatty. Them look how they move easy. In a Miami and New Jersey, London City also. In a Japan City, hey, me say them lick them head. Them have the funky dance and them a call it Matt the Dread. What a shame. Me say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Matt the Dread. No, come Snagga, teach them the move. The reggae funky come get in at the groove. This dance man it's sweet like your food. Everybody do it and improve. In the dance hall, just get loose and do the dance and rock in your shoes. Left, right, dilly-dally. You do the reggae funky, exercise your body. Move up your neck, move slowly. This is the dance sweet like the tatty. Yeah, me say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Matt the Dread. What a shame. Me say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Matt the Dread. No, crowd of people come follow me. Now follow them the DJ and mark nobody. If you follow them you end up me say in a cemetery. Follow Snagga and make we do the styling. We don't waste the time for we live in unity. Yike, what a shame. You know what is Matt the Dread? Matt the Dread is those guys who are shaved around the rim and the locks on top. That is Matt the Dread. Damn. No, me say them lick them head. Them have the funky dance and them a call it Matt the Dread. What a shame. Me say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Matt the Dread. Yeah, out of sight, dynamite. Do the reggae funky with all of your might. Set your hand like a kung fu you a fighter. Move your body, me say left and right. When you a dance, dance with your might. To the rhythm, Lord, you dance and glide. Me say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Matt the Dread. What a shame. We say them lick them head. Them have the reggae funky and I call it Mac the Dread. Yeah, I come. Reggae funky, I show them now. Reggae funky.
Hey, you hear old man ride with him? Hold on, Arif. You hear old man ride with him? Them rhythm come like a motorbike, you know. And them rhythm bring baby. Cause we hear their dance and a wine and go up, go grind. Yeah, baby this side. Yo, run it. Hey, Peter Metro, Foundation Youth. You see that bad man? Too much artists are dead now. And them don't take God serious. If you not say God, you not say nothing. What me say? Metro. I say 884-8176. That's the urban man digit. Call me and give me a visit. Yeah. 884-8176. That's the urban man digit. Yeah. Call me and give me a visit. No, I didn't choose the herbs. The herbs choose me. I do poetry. I don't do surgery. I pull up. And the body strapper. Peter Metro, tell them. 1984, 89. The body strap DJ in Jamaica. Peter Metro know the history. A dancehall. Only the three of us. We're gonna show you now, we rap, and we the rap in the dancehall, me and General Echo. Yeah, I'ma say 5 feet 9, yo, dark complexion. I rap with the microphone in my right hand. Rough and tough like Michael Jordan. I rock the microphone like Elijah wanna take full control like King Jammys. I rock the microphone and then I function. Broken glass everywhere. People pissing on the stage. I know they don't care. I can't take the smell. I can't take the noise. I got to rock the microphone with this wife. I say, don't push me, cause I'm close to down. I'm trying not to lose my head. Hey, it's like a jumping sometimes. You maybe wonder how I keep it. Hey, pull up!